Welcome to the final video in our data engineering series. In this session, we'll explore some real-world use cases of data engineering and understand how its principles and tools drive innovation across industries. Data engineering has become the backbone of many industries, enabling businesses to leverage vast amounts of data for decision-making, automation, and customer experience enhancement. Let's look at some practical examples. Personalized recommendations. Imagine you're browsing Netflix. Have you ever wondered how the platform recommends shows and movies you might like? This magic is powered by data engineering. Netflix collects data on user behavior, the genres you watch, your watch history, and even the time of day you prefer watching. This data is stored in a data lake and processed using frameworks like Apache Spark to create user profiles. These profiles feed machine learning models, which analyze patterns and predict what you're most likely to enjoy. The result? Highly personalized recommendations that keep users engaged. The same approach is used by Amazon, Spotify, and YouTube to tailor their content and product suggestions. Fraud detection in banking. Banks and financial institutions process billions of transactions daily, making fraud detection a critical challenge. With real-time data engineering frameworks like Apache Flink, banks can analyze transactions as they happen. Here's how it works. Data streams in from various channels, such as credit card swipes or online banking. Flink processes this data in real time, looking for unusual patterns, like multiple transactions from different locations within minutes. When suspicious activity is detected, the system triggers an alert or temporarily blocks the transaction. This level of real-time processing helps prevent fraud and protects both customers and institutions. Supply chain optimization. Data engineering is transforming supply chain management by improving efficiency and reducing costs. Take a global retailer like Walmart. They use data engineering to track inventory levels, predict demand, and optimize logistics. Here's a simplified view of the process. Walmart collects data from thousands of stores worldwide, including sales trends and stock levels. This data is ingested into a data warehouse for analysis. Predictive models are then run to forecast demand and ensure shelves are stocked with the right products at the right time. The result? Reduced waste, increased sales, and better customer satisfaction. Healthcare analytics. In healthcare, data engineering saves lives by enabling faster and more accurate diagnoses. Hospitals and research institutions collect data from electronic health records, lab results, and wearable devices. This data is processed in batch or real time to identify trends, predict outbreaks, and personalize patient care. For instance, a wearable device might stream real-time heart rate data to a central server. A stream processing framework like Spark analyzes this data and alerts medical professionals if irregularities are detected. By combining historical and real-time data, healthcare providers can deliver proactive and personalized care to patients. Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles like Tesla's self-driving cars rely on vast amounts of sensor data to navigate safely. This data includes camera feeds, radar signals, and GPS coordinates. Here's how data engineering supports autonomous driving. The vehicle collects and processes sensor data in real time. Machine learning models analyze the data to identify obstacles, traffic signals, and pedestrians. Decisions are made on the fly, such as when to accelerate, brake, or change lanes. Without robust data pipelines, the precision and safety of these vehicles would be impossible to achieve. These examples showcase how data engineering transforms raw data into actionable insights across industries. Whether it's recommending your next favorite show, detecting fraudulent transactions, optimizing supply chains, or enabling self-driving cars, data engineering is at the heart of innovation. This brings us to the end of our data engineering series. We've covered the foundational concepts, key tools, and frameworks and now the exciting real-world applications of data engineering. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge development tools. Meta Design Solutions is here to help. Reach out to us at this email ID. See you in the next video.